Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Redgear MS-150 Wired Gamepad. On the front of the package, we can see some Redgear branding on the top left, an image of the product right in the middle, and the MS-150 branding on the bottom. Underneath the branding, we can see that it has support for X input and direct input. Over here on each side of the product image of the product, we have a couple of the features. So let's go through them one by one. It has an integrated force feedback mode. It also has 2 analog triggers and 2 analog sticks. It has a turbo mode and it has 12 digital keys altogether. The cable length is 1.8 meters long. On the top of the package, we can see some more Redgear branding. There's nothing on the left hand side of the package or on the right, and nor on the bottom. On the back of the package, we can see some more technical specifications. The applications or softwares that this gamepad is compatible with is PC on Windows, and it can also be used with laptops. The interface type is USB. The product size is 160 by 110 by 55 mm. The product weight is 205 grams. The cable length, obviously 1.8 meters, as we have already seen before. The operating voltage is DC 5 volts, and the working current is less than 25 mA. The vibration is less than 200 mA. On the right hand side, we have another image of the product. Below that, we can see the waste management guidelines, basically what to do when you are done with using the product. Over here, we have some information about the manufacturing and importing of the device. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. We get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should tell you all the functions of the device and should get you started off with using the product. And then we have the product itself. As we can see, there's a black and yellow theme going for it. All the buttons are marked in white. The A, B and XY are on the right hand side where your thumb would usually lie, and the color on the buttons in which the buttons are marked are colored in white. Here we have rubberized analog sticks, and they have a pretty decent springy feel to them. The D-pad is underneath the left analog stick, and it is also in matte. There seems to be a matte and shiny finish going along the entire device. So the matte finish is right around here along the ABXY and right analog stick, and the D-pad and the left analog stick. We can also see a few extra buttons, which include a turbo button, a select button, a mode button, a start button, and a clear button. And between those buttons, there is the Redgear logo right in the middle. The handle has these ridges on it, which are finished in some glossy plastic, and it gives you a pretty firm and tight grip on the device. On top, we have the L1, R1 and L2 and R2 buttons. They have a pretty satisfying feel when you click them as well, and the triggers have a definite click to them as well. They are not progressive as you would find on other controllers, but this one is more like a button rather than a trigger. On the back, we have the Redgear branding along with the exact model number. In terms of the cord, we can see that it has a round black cord, which is 1.8 meters long, as it says so on the box right here, and it has a USB type A interface. So this was the unboxing of the Redgear MS-150 wired controller. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.